Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add fonts here in Canva. Let's begin. Uploading fonts here in Canva is a simple process that ensures your designs align with your company's or client's branding. This is particularly important for maintaining a consistent look across all marketing materials, presentations, and social media posts. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. I'm going to add a page wherein if you want to upload a font here, if you click on the upload section on the left pane of your channel, you don't have the option to upload a font there because you can only upload image, videos, and audio. All right, on the three dots, these are the channels, but of course you can't upload a font here. But instead, I want you to go to the text. All right, I want you to type, for example, these are the fonts that you can work with. All right, this week. So these are, remember that whenever you see a Canva Pro watermark, that means you are required to upgrade to Canva to use this premium template. It means that you are using a free trial, all right? Because if you do that, for example, we chose this one. It has a watermark and you can't really use it, all right? So let's skip that. For example, this one right here, I'm going to choose this font. I'm going to drag it here on the bottom. Gonna make it a little bit smaller, like 50. There you go. Gonna make some effects. You can change the font that you wanted. Probably like a black. Now, if you want to change the font right here, you have all of these options right here, okay? You also have the option to change the fonts here. You see, you have like, for example, if you click this, these are the options for you. Anton, Telegraph, Now, The Youngest Serif, and a lot more. But if you want to, as you can see, there's going to be an edit section here that says popular fonts. You can also check that. And there is an option that says upload a font. Now, again, before you can upload your custom fonts right here in Canva, you need to try the Canva Pro for 30 days. All right. If you don't, you're not going to be able to upload that. But it's very simple. If you have a specific font already downloaded, just upload it here in this section. You can also go to the brand kit if you click on edit. Now the brand kit can give you the option to set and your font. You can also choose the colors and logos and turn your business into a brand. All right, so these are some of your options if you want to upload a custom fonts here in Canva. We have a separate video on how to use the brand kit that you might want to check in our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.